Hello, hi everyone, dear students. So here we are making a video on accountancy, second PUC accountancy. Subject code, as you all know, 30. This is the second chapter in partnership, that is chapter second, accounting for partnership. Admission of a partner. Admission of a partner. Accounting for partnership. So this is next topic, that is, so in the earlier videos we have seen the basic concepts of partnership. So now we are discussing regarding the admission of a partners. Admission of a partners means, dear students, say for example there are two partners, namely A and B are two partners. So they admit new partner C. These two partners are older partners, or you can say existing partners. This incoming partner C is called a new partner, dear students. So for the sake of capital requirements or for the sake of knowledge requirements, they need to give the admission to the new partner, dear students. So now the partners are A, B and C. Earlier, so there were only two partners. So these two are existing, or as I said earlier, these two are older partners. So now they have admitted new partner as a C. So while expecting knowledge and capital, so from this new partner, even these old partners need to give some certain portions from their profits, dear students. That is the reason. So that portion, you can say portion surrendered or sacrifice their profit shares. Okay. So under section C, that is 6 marks problems. You may face some 6 marks problems on calculation of sacrifice ratio. Here the sacrifice made by the old partners on behalf of new partner. So let us see, dear students, some examples on calculation of sacrifice ratio. So here the partners sacrificing, the old partners only sacrificing their certain portion from their profit to C for giving the admission as a new partner in the firm. Okay, dear students, so by observing these examples, here sacrifice made by the old partners. So only old partners sacrifice their profits to the new partner. Keep in mind here, while calculating the sacrifice ratio, so we need to ascertain the sacrifice ratio of old partners only. So how do you calculate the sacrifice ratio? So by applying this one, say here, sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice means a portion surrendered by the old partners to the new partner. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay. Sacrifice ratio. So for calculation of sacrifice ratio, we need to follow this equation. So that is old ratio minus new ratio. Say for example, so as I said earlier, there were two old partners, namely A and B. These two are old partners. They were equal partners, like they share their profits and losses in the ratio of 1:1. They admit C as a new partner. After admitting C as a new partner, they need to sacrifice their profit sharing ratio towards the C. So they need to sacrifice, or they need to surrender their portion towards C. So that is the reason. So by applying this formula, so we can ascertain the sacrifice ratio of A and B. So by deducting the new ratio from the old ratio, so we can get sacrifice ratio. Dear students, let us see one example. So the example will be on your screen. So I will solve that example. Okay, you can see that image. Okay, dear students, let us discuss the example number 1. Vidya and Vinaya are two partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So, dear students, there were two partners, namely Vidya and Vinaya. Their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. So, this one is old ratio of old partners. Look here, they admit Vijaya into the partnership. So new partner name is Vijaya. Vijaya into the partnership. The new profit sharing ratio is 4:3:2. New ratio of all the three partners after admitting Vijaya as a new partner. So that is 4:3:2. Dear students, this is a new ratio. So this one is old ratio of older partners. This one is a new ratio of all the partners. For calculation of sacrifice ratio, so as we seen in the earlier equation, so for calculation of sacrifice ratio we need old ratio as well as new ratio. Okay, keep in mind. So for while calculating the sacrifice ratio, we need to calculate the sacrifice ratio of old partners only. Okay, so take down the heading calculation of sacrifice ratio of old partners. So first we need to write the equation. Sacrifice ratio or you can say SR is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So the first old partner name is Vidya. Sacrifice ratio of Vidya is equal to, so her old ratio 3:2 means 3/5, so 2/5. Her old ratio is 3/5. So similarly her new ratio, So look here, new ratio of all the partners is 4 is to 3 is to 2. It does mean that 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. Means 4 by 9, 3 by 9, 2 by 9. So new ratio of Vidya is 4 by 9. Okay, so while simplifying, dear students, we need to calculate the LCM. So 5 and 9, the 45 is the LCM. 5 9s are 9 5s are. 9 3s are 27 minus 5 4s are 20 is equal to 7 by 45 is the sacrificed or surrendered portion of Vidya. Similarly, so we need to ascertain the sacrifice ratio of the second partner, that is Vinaya. Vinaya's older ratio, that is 2 by 5 minus her new ratio 3 by 9. So 5 and 9, LCM of these two is 45. 5 9s are 9 5s are. So let us see. 9 2s are 18 minus 5 3s are 15 is equal to, so 3 by 45. Therefore, sacrifice ratio of Vidya is to Vinaya is 7 by 45 is to 3 by 45, or you can write 7 is to 3. So this is the way of ascertaining the sacrifice ratio of old partners. So that is 7 is to 3. Okay, let us see the second example, dear students. Second example, Michael and Madan are partners. So, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4 is to 3. There were two partners, namely Michael and Madan. Their profit sharing ratio is 4 is to 3. So, dear students, they admit Kamaraj into the partnership. The new profit sharing ratio is 7 is to 4 is to 3. So calculate the sacrifice ratio of Michael and Madan. Okay, see here students. Michael and Madan were old partners. Their profit sharing ratio, that is 4 is to 3. This is the old ratio of Michael and Madan. Old ratio of old partners. 4 is to 3 means 4 by 7. 3 by 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 by 7. 3 by 7. This one is the old ratio of old partners. So they have provided in the problem new ratio. Look here. They admit Kamaraj. These two are the older partners. The third one, Kamaraj, is the new partner. So after getting admission, after admitting the new partner, so their new ratio is 7 is to 4 is to 7 is to 4 is to 3. Yes. 7 is to 4 is to 3 means so 7 plus 4 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 3 14. So you can see 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 4 7 plus 7 14 means 7 upon 14. 4 upon 14. 3 upon 14. This is the new ratio of all the partners. So with the help of these partners, by calculating sacrifice ratio, we need only these these two ratios. So here let us solve calculation of. This is for the sake of your rough work, dear students. This actual presentation is here. Calculation of sacrifice ratio of old partners. So before that, we need to write the equation for calculation of sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is equal to, see here, old ratio minus new ratio. So very simple way to remember this equation. The first word of old ratio is O. The first word of a new ratio is N. So simply O-N, on. It is a simple way of ascertaining sacrifice ratio. So O-N, on. Now calculation of sacrifice ratio. So it is turned on. Okay. It is an equation for calculation of sacrifice ratio, dear students. So now sacrifice ratio of Michael the first partner name is Michael. Sacrifice ratio of Michael is 4/7 is the old ratio. Look here. Old ratio of Michael is 4/7 minus, what is the new ratio of his Michael? That is 7/14. 7/14. By simplifying 7 and 14, LCM of 7 and 14 will be 14 is the LCM. 7 2s are 14, 14 1s are 14. 4 2s are 8 minus 7 is equal to 1/14 is the sacrifice ratio of Michael. So similarly, sacrifice ratio of Madan. What is the old ratio of Madan? That is 3/7 minus the new ratio of Madan is 4/14. The LCM of 7 and 14 will be the 14. 7 2s are 14, 14 1s are 14. 3 2s are 6 minus 4 1s are 4 will be the 2/14. So therefore, sacrifice ratio of Michael is to Madan. So here we have ascertained that is 1/14 is to 2/14, or you can write like this, 1 is to 2. This is the sacrifice ratio of Michael and Madan are these older partners. So this is the way of ascertaining sacrifice ratio, dear students. We have tried our level best by standing before the camera along with camera technician Mr. Viresh. Thank you very much. See you on next video.